Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use adhesive vinyl to create a custom coffee mug. You'll start by cutting your design with your Cricut or Silhouette. When your machine has made your cut, you'll trim away the vinyl and save the rest for another project. Then I start at one corner and peel away the excess vinyl from the design. Then using your weeding tool or hook, just peel away the small pieces of vinyl, revealing the design that your machine has cut. You can find this hand-drawn design on Etsy, and I will link the shop in the description box below. After you finish weeding your design, you're ready to apply your transfer tape. Just place it over your design and burnish with a squeegee or even a credit card to transfer the vinyl from the vinyl backing to the transfer tape. And now you're ready to apply. Just peel the transfer tape from the backing and apply it to a clean surface. One tip to applying to a round surface is starting in the middle and work side to side, and that helps to prevent creases in your vinyl or bubbles. Rub over your design once more to make sure that it's stuck to your project surface. Carefully peel your transfer tape and your project is finished. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Like the video if it was helpful, and until next time, thanks guys.